consultant firm. How can I help you?
I am Nara and I want to seek for consulting service about one business. My shareholder and I want to run a new business, but we have some problem that relate to legal framework.
Oh, yes. Now you are choosing the right company to consult about the concern. And our firm has many law experts and that they have a lot of experience to consult about varieties that related to your business. So who do you want to consult? While we have many experts who have shown their status on our online website.
Okay, I got a recommendation from my friend that there are two experts that are the best consultants in your firm. The name are Heng Sovanlida and Lim Kunsopia. Can I make an appointment with them?
Yes, okay, madam. I will inform most of them and prepare everything before your meeting. So when do you want to have an appointment?
Yes, I am free on Saturday. My event at the time from 2 to 3:30. When is your company location?
My company is located in Kanjungama. So I prefer to send you an address of my company. So can I have your email, please?
Okay, my email is tinaren@gmail.com.
Okay. So I will send our address through your email. I will check it and thank you for choosing our company. So see you in the appointment.
Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
Yes, goodbye, goodbye. Good afternoon, madam. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. We have an appointment to consult with two experts about our business.
Yes, what are their names?
The name is Yin Kunsopia and Heng Sovanlida.
Yes, and can I have your name, please?
My name is Tinaren. My name is Tinaren.
Okay, let me check first. Yes, so please come in with me. So please come in. Thank you. This is Miss Kanka and she is Tinaren.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Nice to see you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Heng Sovanlida, and I'm specialized at trademark, taxation, and labor compliance.
And I'm the consultant and specialized of business legal form, business registration, and business license.
Well, before we go into detail about the issue, firstly, I would like to inform you about our politics and conditions that you would like to know. We are going to keep confidentially of your information about your project, so you can feel free to tell us your creatively of idea about your business. Secondly, we are going to provide you advice of choice, and you have a right to make decisions by your own anyway. Thirdly, during the process of consultation, you can ask any question which you are not clear about.
Well, we have read and understand about your business plan already, and it's a great business plan. So what can we help you? If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, I'm concerned about it some part. Can you explain about business registration? Yeah, because your business activity required to have business license, so in order to register a company in Cambodia, the name must also register with the MOC. You need an application form for memorandum and article of association, which you get from the Ministry of Commerce. The form must be signed by all shareholders and director in front of MOC and a public notary or Cambodian lawyer. Once the MOC recognizes a company, it issues a certificate MAA, a Ministry of Commerce business license and commercial registration certificate.
So what attachments are required for business registration?
Because Ministry of Commerce try to make the registration easier following the new technology, you can register your business either direct in Ministry of Commerce or register online. You have to fill the business registration form and nominal control application form. Some other documents are required such as company regulation, national identification card or passport, and confirmation letter of the statutory capital from the bank.
Okay, thank you.
One more thing, I'm still concerned about taxation. Can you explain about this?
Yes, taxation is also an important part of of your business activity. So I would like to explain you briefly about the application of taxation. According to law of taxation, all the taxpayer is responsible for preparing the various tax return, likely balance sheet, visa account, and table of complementary information in accordance with the law of taxation and for paying the correct amount of tax based on the return submitted to tax authorities. Tax applications that have been provided by law of taxation have only two important producers of LOT, such as annual tax application of monthly tax application. Your partnership will be paid or relating with LOT of tax on profit, showing at Annex 4. 20% tax rate on profit for residents, enterprise, minimum tax 1% of the separate, and this tax from tax on profit. And percentage, as mentioned above, for the monthly tax application is the most important of this part is salary, tax from payment or salary, wage and other payment made of our employees and our partnership are liable for resident employee. The tax or salary due is determined on the monthly taxable salary and is withheld according to the progressive tax rate.
How can we register tax?
Yes, that is. At the beginning of your business activity, you are required to apply registration tax and patent in order to operate your business legally. For tax registration, you need to request and fill tax registration form from General Department of Taxation and include documents such as registration document issued by the Ministry of Commerce or relevant ministry, document identifying the share of government board, governor and owner or shareholder and manager, document clarifying the office of the business.
What about bản thân tax? Do we need to do in the early hours opening our business hours?
Yes, you are right. For patent tax, you are required to have some documents such as new tax registration application form from General Department of Taxation, original ID card or passport of shareholder, and the chairman, photo passport of all shareholder, chairman and director through signatures, family book of taxpayer chairman, owner or representative, and the latest property tax payment receipt of the building location of the company registration address. Because there are a lot of requirements, here is the information that I have told you earlier, in case you have missed some requirements. Okay, because there are a lot of requirements, here is the information that you can have it. Yes, in case you miss some requirement. So after the tax registration, I would like to talk to you about the location permit. I want to know that your business location will be rented or your own property.
Like mentioned in our press summary, we will rent Street 93, Sakat to the Lake of Fat, Country Garden, Lumping.
Okay, according to your case, by just rent the office, there is no complicated document that you need to process. You only need to make a leasing contract with the owner of your location. Then the location owner will ask you to give documents about your business in order to make sure that your business is legal.
I feel that there are many things to do under the law requirement.
Yes, there are two more framework to do. They are about labor, compliance, and trademark. So if you hire less than 8 employees, there are normally complicated documents to process. You only need to have employment agreement with each employee of your company, and your company is subject to withhold tax on salary of your employee. And the last framework is about trademark. You are required to have the service mark to represent your business. Our team needs to analyze your trademark in order to avoid duplication of the trademark. So these are all basic requirements that you have to complete before you start business activity.
Okay, we got this. On the another hand, I need expertise to help in the process of completing and processing the document related who is business. Do you provide service or processing the document for business operation?
Yes, actually, besides consulting service, we do have our client to process the document related to business in Cambodia.
Oh, glad to hear that. I really appreciate your consulting service, so I will make an appointment with you again. Thank you so much for choosing our firm. We hope that we have provided you beneficial information and clear view related to legal framework for your business.
Yes, I hope that you satisfied with the information we provide you, and this is my personal card. Yes, you can contact us or our assistant for an appointment when you need legal consultation. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
Yes, have a nice day. Okay, how do you think about this case?
I think they have a very good plan. However, we need to conduct more research on trademark and business license in case they need to seek for more advice.
Okay, so I will do research of the trademark to avoid any conflict. And for the business letter, it should be your work.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, that's good.